Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at a car gadget that promises to turn your ancient clunker into a tech-filled masterpiece, or at least something that doesn't require a physical map and a prayer. The Yongeid wireless CarPlay and Android Auto display claims to bring full smartphone integration to older vehicles without the absolute nightmare of ripping out your factory head unit. For anyone currently stuck with an infotainment system that feels like it was programmed by a caffeinated hamster, this thing is basically magic in a box. Out of the packaging, the display is surprisingly clean and simple, featuring a slim bezel and a suction mount for your dash or windshield. Because nothing says pinnacle of automotive design like a giant plastic arm stuck to your glass. Setup is straightforward. Plug it in, connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and within minutes you have a bright, responsive screen. The learning curve is basically zero, mostly because it mirrors the exact interface of the phone you're already addicted to. The real selling point here is the wireless freedom. You can finally stop fumbling with cables like you're trying to defuse a bomb every time you get in the car. Your phone connects automatically once paired, putting your navigation, calls, and music right in front of you. As a bonus, it even supports screen mirroring for video playback when parked, which is perfect for passengers who find your driving so boring they'd rather just watch YouTube. So who is this for? If your car's current technology belongs in a museum, this is one of the easiest ways to add modern features without a bank-breaking professional installation. It delivers maps, music, and voice control in a package that is affordable, easy to install, and surprisingly polished. If you're obsessed with a seamless factory look, you might want to keep dreaming, but for everyone else wanting wireless convenience and the safety of hands-free control, the Yongeid unit is absolutely worth considering.